Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Geet and I make English learning simple and enjoyable for all of you. In this video, I'll make you learn many English words ranging from basic to advanced level along with their meanings and example sentences. अब इससे होगा क्या? इससे होगा ये that these words will help you to improve your vocabulary, to enhance your speaking and writing skills, and to understand English conversation more easily. इसलिए इस वीडियो में एंड तक बने रहिएगा because whether you are a beginner or looking to refine your language, you become more fluent and confident in English. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का लेसन. Basic level words. Good. That means morally right or satisfactory. The book is very good. Bad, not good or unpleasant. He had a bad day at work. Small, limited size. The room is small but cozy. Talk to communicate by speaking. Can we talk about your project? Next one is jump. Means to move upward or forward with force. The cat jumped over the wall. Read, to look at written words and understand them. I like to read novels. Sing, to produce musical sounds with your voice. She loves to sing in the shower. Hot, a high temperature. Be careful, the coffee is hot. Day, a 24-hour period. It's a beautiful day today. New, recently made or acquired. I bought a new dress yesterday. Big means something large in size. They live in a big city. Alright, dear students, we have covered some basic words with their meanings and sentences. Now we will move on to intermediate level words. Amazing means causing great surprise. The view from the top of the mountain is amazing. Careful, taking care to avoid mistakes or danger. Be careful while crossing the road. Decide, to make a choice. I need to decide what to wear for the party. Listen, to pay attention to sounds. Please listen carefully to the instructions. Finish, to complete something. I need to finish my work before dinner. Travel, to go from one place to another. We love to travel during vacations. Well done, students. We have covered intermediate words. Now we have to move to advanced words. Resilient means able to recover quickly from difficulties. She is resilient person who never gives up. Magnificent means extremely beautiful or impressive. The Taj Mahal is magnificent building. Meticulous means showing great attention to detail. He prepared the report with meticulous care. Ambitious means having a strong desire to succeed. He is ambitious student aiming for the top rank. Innovative means to have new ideas or method. The company launched an innovative product. Lucid means expressed clearly and to understand. His explanation of the topic was lucid. Compassionate means showing care for each other. She is compassionate towards stray animals. Profound, very deep or intense. His speech had a profound impact on the audience. Captivating means holding one's attention completely. The actor gave a captivating performance. Now, students, your job is to master these words step by step. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. And I will see you in the next video.